Hello, Lisa Harris here. I am on Hillcrest at this humble house that you can call home. It even has a hearth. Take a look.
Happiness can be made here at this very well-maintained one-owner home on Hillcrest. This home includes a spacious living room with wood-burning fireplace and glass doors to a sunroom. Entertain in the formal dining room and enjoy breakfast in the breakfast area off the kitchen. The bedrooms are large, including the master bedroom with a 3/4 bath. There's a large laundry room with access to the garage and side yard. This property also includes some xeriscaping in both yards and shop storage building in the back. So many possibilities.
Let me be crystal clear. This classic, comfortable canyon home is full of character. I am confident that you will want to call me, Lisa Harris, 806-433-2783.